Good evening, I am Akshanur and welcome to News World. What you think is what you become. Giving you a sneak peek of underage boys' locker room chat where they are gleefully discussing how to rape and gang rape minor girls. Now the question arises to parents and teachers. Who are we making? An entrepreneur, an engineer, or a rapist? After a shameful act committed by a Delhi schoolboy has been taken into custody and more have been identified as the police investigates a horrific student Instagram chat room that talked about gang rape of schoolgirls. The teen from a well-known Delhi school has identified 20 more boys who were active on the group. His mobile phone has been seized by the cyber cell of Delhi police. Class 11th and 12th students of 4 or 5 schools in South Delhi are believed to be involved in the outrageous forum that is every parent's nightmare. During social media monitoring, it was noticed that one Instagram group by the name Boys Locker Room was being used by the participants to share obscene messages and mocked pictures. On this, an FIR under relevant section of IT Act and IPC was registered on 4th May 2020. At PS Special Cell, an investigation has been taken up by the CyPad unit, said a senior police official. As of now, about 10 members of the group have been identified. The identified members, who are above the age of 18, are being examined. The minor members of the group are being dealt with as per the provision of Juvenile Justice Act, said by the police. Police have further directed Instagram to furnish details of the person involved in the group, admin, contact details, IP address, and other important details. The concerned platform, that is Instagram, has been asked to provide the details of the alleged accounts involved in the group. The details are awaited, said the police. The devices used to engage in the offensive vulgar communication has been seized from the Delhi Commission for Women DCW Chief Swati Maliwal, who earlier issued notice to Delhi Police and Instagram, said police have registered FIR in the boys' locker room matter and 15-year-old was held last evening. I hope all culprits are arrested soon. However young they may be, they must understand that it is not okay to harass girls. The message should be delivered clearly once and all. She also appealed to other Instagram users. If you are a part of any such group, exit immediately and file a complaint with us on our helpline number 181. I am proud of all the girls who raised the matter and DCW with them for the safety and security.
दिल्ली महिला आयोग ने इंस्टाग्राम और दिल्ली पुलिस दोनों को नोटिस इशू किया है क्योंकि हम ये चाहते हैं कि ये लड़के तुरंत अरेस्ट होने चाहिए और इनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्यवाही होनी चाहिए.
New shocking update coming from sources is that a class 12 student allegedly committed suicide in Gurugram's upscale residential condominium in DLF Phase 5. He jumped from the balcony of his flat on 11th floor of the building at around 11 p.m. on Tuesday. The local police are investigating his alleged involvement in boys' locker room Instagram account. Crime is not restricted to any age group. It cultivates further when bad influences meets innocent young minds. It's our duty to protect and shape these beautiful minds and prevent developing such mindsets. News World and team urges you to stop forwarding images shared in the chat room. We need to inculcate good morals and teach boys to respect girls from young age. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe News World and give your valuable comments.